up, guys? My name is Alex Laura.
My name's Carson Combs,
And this is our generator system.
So first off, power it on. You're gonna have to plug in a 3-phase cable.
AC required? Yes.
We're gonna start off by turning on the 1F1, 1F2, 1F3, 1F4, 1Q1, 9Q3, and 3Q2. Now once the PLC boots up, and is done booting up, the system will be in ready run mode. The PLC is on and is in ready run mode.
Switch to auto mode. Press our start button.
Now there will be a 1-minute battery charge time before the generator will start up.
Alright, now that our generator turned on, we are producing about 150 volts DC back into our cabinet.
Now we'll run through manual mode. So to stop auto mode, you hit the stop button. The generator will wind down. Once it is completely stopped, you're going to switch over to the manual position. Now to jog the motor, you can jog it by hitting the green button. We have a label start and jog. It will jog the motor. We also have a battery charge mode if you ever need to charge the batteries by themselves by hitting the red stop button, also labeled battery charge. It will turn on the battery charger and it will cycle through for about 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, the charger should automatically turn off and you will be back into ready run mode.
If you have any questions about the procedures we just ran through, they are all right here in our generator system handbook located on top of our cabinet.